skincare from the inside starts with a highly alkaline, raw diet. And I love adding in these supplements that contain a powerful antioxidant called hydroxytyrosol to my morning skincare routine. They're easy to take, taste delicious, and kickstart the plumpness and glow inside my skin.
As much as I love active ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, AHA, I don't tend to use these very much during the daytime. During the daytime in the morning, I'm like wanting to get things going. I have other things to do. So if I do my morning skincare, here's how it goes. First, I wash my face with just water because I don't have active acne. If I had active acne, I would use a gel cleanser, but I don't, so I just rinse with water. And really that water is to help just cleanse the skin, refreshen it, and also remove any active ingredients that I applied last night. So last night I used the AHA and hydroxytyrosol, and that one can give photosensitivity to the sun because it is a chemical exfoliant. So I want to make sure that I'm not using that on my skin while I'm going out in the sun during the daytime. So clean face. I love the Cell Active Face Serum. This is one of my go-tos. I love it. It is so healing and regenerative for the skin. Probably my favorite serum from Olive Tree People. And I'm just gonna go in with that, massage it in. Packed full of hydroxytyrosol, packed full of those antioxidants that are actually also natural SPF, which is cool. So that's my serum for the daytime. I am gonna do the green retinol elixir because I just feel like today is a little bit on the cool side. My skin can handle that little oil, a little bit of oil and that more moisture, and that's gonna really help me with my glow also. And it's just an extra layer of antioxidants, right? So I always put serums first, then elixirs, because the elixirs are more oily, and so the oil will absorb into the skin because of that bioactive arbequina olive oil, but the serum will soak in first. Next is my anti-wrinkle eye cream, and I live off of this stuff, and it's insane to me how long one jar lasts. I've had this jar since April. I still have more than half. So talk about a product that a little bit goes a long way. I mean, all of these products, a little bit goes a long way. I'm just now about 5 months in. I've reordered a couple of the things that I ordered at the beginning, aside from the internals, because the internals last for 30 days if you take them every day. And then last but not least, my favorite ever anti-aging face cream. I love this stuff. It's just like the icing on top of the cake, okay? It goes on so smooth. So soft, smells really good, and this just helps to seal in everything that I've put on, right? The Cell Active, the green retinol. I like to put on my lips too, just to give a little moisture to those guys. And whatever's left, I put on the back of my hands, because we all know hands age faster than anything else. We wash them a whole lot, so be good to your hands, okay? That's all. That's all for my daytime skincare. I'm ready to go outside now. So one thing that I wanted to mention, you'll notice I'm not using sunscreen right now, and it's kind of a controversial topic, right? But I have stopped using sunscreen, I want to say like a month or two
after I started using these products. So for the last 3 months, I haven't really used sunscreen unless I'm going outside all day. So if I know that I'm gonna be like active outdoors doing an outdoorsy thing, I'll definitely put sunscreen. But for day to day, I've stopped using sunscreen, and that's for a couple reasons. I don't want to keep putting chemicals that are inflammatory onto my skin. The sunscreens that I have used, or that I have, the first ingredient in them is water, and I don't like putting water in skincare on my skin anymore because I recognize that it causes inflammation. Now, if I was to use a sunscreen, so like this weekend I'm going to Lake Tahoe and I'll be using sunscreen when I'm doing outdoor activities, I'm gonna do that sunscreen on top of all this skincare. So it's not gonna be right next to my skin, so hopefully it's not, you know, absorbing into my skin. It's gonna be definitely layered on top of the serum, the elixir, the moisturizer. So I have a little bit of a safety barrier there, but at the same time, I don't want to be putting that stuff on my skin. So I stopped using it every single day. And it's cool because hydroxytyrosol, that powerful antioxidant found in olive leaves, is a natural SPF. It's not gonna be as strong as like an SPF 50, but it is a natural SPF, and I'm so grateful because antioxidants in general are natural SPFs, hydroxytyrosol being one of the strongest antioxidants that we can use today. So yeah, that's just a little bit about my personal experience. I've not noticed any negative effects yet of not using sunscreen. I'm gonna continue to monitor my skin and just see, you know, do I have any spots coming up, or do I have any wrinkles that are forming? But at the same time, I am really using hats, covering my skin as much as possible, which is my alternative form of sunscreen, right? So if I can create a barrier with a hat from being directly under the sun, I'm gonna do that. So all of the Olive Tree People products that I've used in today's daytime skincare routine are listed in the caption. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to get personalized recommendations for Olive Tree People skincare products, feel free to send me a message on Instagram or leave me a message here in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more faith-fueled health and beauty. Bye now.